baby, don't mess around, because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna back instead of see me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're tuning for the first time, you are so welcome. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, in today's video is another wig review styling video. We're gonna be working with this HerGivenHair kinky coily hair, and let's check what is in the box. First, we have this hairband, extra pin, wig bag, and this instructional book. I love the fact that it comes with this instructional book because for my girlies that are beginners, so you know what to do and how to handle your wig. And let's get into the wig itself. It's a 80 inches kinky coily wig. It is called the Bye Bye Leave Out. Yes, exactly what the name says. The first thing I'm going to do is rinsing out this hair. I'm just going to rinse out this hair under running water using just rinse out conditioner, and I believe you can do that too because I did mine off camera. So after that, this is what this hair looks like. Now it is bouncy and fluffy. This hair is called Bye Bye Leave Out for a reason, meaning you can wear it without leaving out your hair. With the way it's made, it's going to blend into your hair even without leaving out any hair. So this is what my hair looks like. Yeah, I just literally just pack my hair backward because I want to see what this wig will look like in my head without leaving out my hair. So let's put on the wig, and after putting on the wig, I'll go ahead and clip in the clip into my hairline, as you can see for yourself. So I decided to go with middle part with hair like this. If you want to do like a side part or any style of your choice, you can do that with this hair. I was already very excited because I could see where this hair is going. The texture, let's talk about the texture. This texture of this hair is so beautiful. It's so fluffy and soft. And all you have to do to install this hair, you don't need glue, you don't need crochet, you don't need literally nothing. All you have to do is just clip in the hair into your hairline. If you're doing a middle part, clip it the way I am doing it, and voila, that's all. Like, I was so excited. And one thing about this hair again is that I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, I can actually wear this hair without even defining the coil, because the hair itself, like with no product, with nothing, it is so soft and fluffy, and it looks so freaking good on me. So I'm just gonna go ahead for the sake of this video and define the coil, because I love me some coil here and there. Defining the coil was so easy. All I used is just water and mousse, and yeah, the coil came out popping. And also the hair is so soft that the comb, the demi brush that I was using to define the coil, just was literally just sliding through it. It was so easy for me to define the coil. So when it comes to defining the coils, another thing you can use is a leave-in conditioner and water, but for me I prefer to use mousse sometimes if I want it to dry up quickly, because mousse kind of dry up quickly compared to leave-in conditioner. So I just went ahead to define the entire coil using my demi brush and a good amount of water and mousse, and we have the coil popping. And one thing I noticed is that this hair does not tangle, because tell me why this brush is just sliding through it with no stress, no struggle, literally nothing. At this point, I don't even need to talk much about this hair. You just have to go get it yourself. I'm going to be putting all the information about this hair in my description box. The link to this hair, the links to HerGivenHair website, every single thing you need to know about this hair is going to be in the description box. And yes, me showing you guys the product that I use. I didn't use a lot of stuff, just water and mousse, and look at that. This hair is so freaking nice. I totally love the texture of this hair. Like, it looks like a natural hair. It is so soft and it's so easy to detangle. Also, I was not struggling at all. This demi brush was just going through it easy. So guys, I don't even know which side I like better, but I think I'm gonna go with this for the sake of this video, because look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and define the style, and I'll be back. And we are back. Let me show you guys one more time how easy it is to install this hair. All you have to do is just clip this hair very close to your pattern this way, and that's all. No need of crochet, no need of leaving out hair, no need of glue, nothing, and this hair is perfectly installed into your hair. For my girlies on natural hair that love to wear wigs like this, or that love to wear their natural hair but they don't have time to style their natural hair, get you a wig like this. First, you don't even have to struggle to style it. Second, you don't have to blend in no hair. Just clip it in and you're good to go, baby. Expected. I'm not even kidding. Yeah, look at that. And I love the fact that it retains the coils. Look at that. I love the fact that the wig itself is lightweight. I totally love the hair texture. I love the hair texture and the density. Let me show you the back. Yeah, look at the back of this hair. The hair is so full and thick. This is the kind of hair you wear for 10 years and it still looks like this. So guys, you can also tease the roots a bit to make it look more natural. You can just tease the roots a bit. This is the kind of hair you wear out and you tell somebody it's my hair and they're staring at you like this. Are you saying the truth or you're lying? Yeah, this is exactly the kind of vibe I get with this hair. I love this hair, the fact that you don't have to leave out hair. If you don't want to leave out hair, you can just ignore that part. If you want to leave out your hair, you can actually do that too. All you have to just bring out a little bit of hair here and that's it. For me, honestly, I will rock this hair without leaving out the hair, because let's be realistic, leaving out the hair is not also the most easiest thing to do, especially if your hair do not match with the wig texture. That's the problem on its own. Or let's say you like to rock like wigs like this and your hair is relaxed, you see. So with this method where there's no leave out, where you don't need to leave out hair, you can literally rock wigs like this without thinking about leaving our hair. One thing I love about being a natural hair creator is that every single time anybody sees me with hair like this, they just assume it's my hair. And honestly, I'm not here to debunk nothing, because that's my hair. So guys, that's all about this hair. I'm going to be leaving all the information in my description box. If you're a natural hair girly and you don't have time for your hair, just go get this wig. It's giving minimal effort, maximum result. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.